Hi everyone, how are you over there? Just chilling out today in New Zealand, Aotearoa, in Auckland. Just chilling out after a busy year. It has been a busy year this year. Just reflecting on everything, really. Very successful year in terms of football. Um, we had our trip to Las Vegas, which was very successful. 12 players were scouted and we organized them to travel to Madrid. Some of them they managed to travel, some didn't manage to travel, but those who traveled they had a very good experience. And then we played in championship division for the first time. We finished in the top 3 and we are so happy that we finished in the top 3 in our first season. It's like our warm-up season, so it's going to be crazy next season in 2026. Just putting together a new squad at the moment, restructuring the squad, bringing some new players to join the current team, changing some things in how we do things at the academy, restructuring some few things. We know we always want to get better, so there's a lot of things going on in terms of making things better for our players and for the academy. So we just finished the youth tournament, which was last week. It was really a good tournament, and we enjoyed watching the boys, giving everything, pushing each other, until we found the winner, who was Mangre Olympians. And yeah, it was a really good tournament. It's getting better and better. So that was our second tournament at the academy, and we hope to have more in the future, because the people really enjoying to come and showcase what they can do, and an opportunity to be scouted as well for Las Vegas tournament and also for Madrid football trials. So very big opportunity for these players. You never know. You go there, you perform, the scouts will be watching and they will scout you straight away. Yeah, there's no question about it. The most important thing is you have to give everything. You have to show them what you can do. Then now we are winding everything down towards Christmas. So we are just putting everything in place, and then winding everything down as well as we go for holiday, which will be a long holiday, because once we close in December, we are going to come back in February. So it's a long break for the coaching staff, long break for our players, for the parents who bring the players to training and to matches. So it's a good break for them before the next season starts. So what's up now in November, we are finishing off November on a strong note. Training, friendly games for our under 17 team, and also we are also helping our junior players, as well as we are planning to have an under 12 team next season. So we are recruiting players right now for the under 12 team, so that we can have a very strong team next year. For the under 8, we are still developing them. We are still building the team and the class. So we have got a lot of things that we are still going to do with the junior teams, and we are very excited about what's happening at our academy. And in December we are going to have like a final match on the last day for the juniors. They are going to showcase what they've been learning this year, and then we are going to have prize giving. Prize giving is coming. So it's going to be a very special day. Those who performed, they're going to get certificates. Those who went above and beyond, they are going to get special prizes as well. So we are excited for December, because this is where everything will wind down and we finish on a high note. Then on the last day as well, we are going to have they're going to play a match, and also then we are going to have food together, to eat together as a team, and to get to know each other with the parents and everyone. Then we do the same with the under 17. We are going to organize a match for the final day. Then after that we do prize giving. Then after that we do we eat together. So it's going to be exciting in December as we finish off. We want to finish off on a high note. So it's going to be exciting, and I'm looking forward to what we are going to be doing in the next few weeks. So thank you very much for all the support. We know we got a lot of support in New Zealand, not just in Auckland, but Hamilton, Tauranga. We got players coming from Tauranga and players coming from Hamilton. So we are so excited about the support that you guys are giving us, and also support from our sponsors in America. We've got supporters from Spain, supporters from Australia, supporters from Fiji, supporters from Africa. Yes, we've got supporters everywhere. So we are so excited about everyone who is supporting our vision. Our vision is to help these young players, to groom them, to develop them, and then find opportunities for them to turn professional. We are not just doing this for fun. We are doing it for those who want to take football seriously as a career. So we are so excited about the idea. You guys, you are supporting the idea, the vision, and we will keep going until our players are playing in Europe, our players are playing in different countries. So we are not going to rest until we've got a lot of players playing their football in overseas and also turning professional. This is the main thing that we want. We want our players not just to play football from 5 years up to 19 years and nothing happens. We are saying, if you are talented, if you have got the talent, we are here to support you to turn professional. So give everything. We go with you overseas. If you perform 100%, you get a contract. You have to show them, those scouts, that you are ready to go to the next step. So here we are. This is a platform for you guys to take and grab and run with it. So we are so excited at CEO Maestro about what we are planning for the young players. So next year, it will be pumping, it will be crazy, because we are going to have our first CEO Maestro African Football Tournament. That is going to happen in February, 21st February. That's when we are going to have our first CM Maestro African Football Tournament. These African players who are based in New Zealand, they will be playing against each other, representing their countries of origin. So it's going to be exciting time for African football to be shown, and also for us to scout some players as well to take overseas for scouting opportunities. So we are so excited about what is going to happen at the African tournament that we are going to be hosting in Auckland, New Zealand. We thank you very much for the support. We already have 10 teams that have registered to play, and we've already done the pools for the teams. So we are so excited about what is going to happen on that day. It's going to be pumping with food, with drinks, with music and everything. So we want it to be a good family day for our players, for our parents, for everyone. So thank you so much for the support. I'll update you everything soon. Thank you very much. Bye.